We were supposed to leave at about 2 o'clock in the morning, and then our bus was late. So we had to cancel Central State University. It was okay, we actually took a vote.
I know I fell asleep on the stage, just waiting for the bus to come. Got the bus, everybody passed out as soon as we all stepped foot on it and we started driving. Honestly, the bus rides were not that bad. I did enjoy having that opportunity to just sit, look at the window, watch everything go by.
It was either super urban, so DC or Atlanta, or we would just see grass in North Carolina for just miles.
I thought all of our Airbnbs were fantastic.
Every morning we would try to make breakfast, we try to make food.
It was fun, it really felt like a family.
Some schools were self-guided tours and other schools were official tour guides.
We got to talk to them about real stuff, what are the parties like, what's the food like. It wasn't just base level, where is the dorm, where is the office? It was what is living and existing here.
While you're there taking that tour, you definitely can get a feel for where you would want to be surrounded. I kind of base how you feel on a college tour, kind of gives you a sense of how you would feel being there every single day.
Washington, D.C. was probably my favorite city because we got to spend a day just looking at monuments.
I also went to the African American History Museum.
There were a lot of exhibits about just Black people, and a lot of the history was Black and African American people. I believe that they wanted us to really understand the history behind Black people attending universities and really understanding the importance of HBCUs so you can really understand how significant it is for you to attend some university like that. We went bowling actually in Nashville, Tennessee. In Washington, D.C., we went to Top Golf.
It was really fun because a lot of us are not good at golf. So it was fun to see the twins just keep missing and just keep missing. It was really fun.
It was kind of good that it wasn't all school, and we still had time to connect and bond together.
It was a Black marketplace in Nashville, Tennessee.
And we got there, and the energy radiating off of that place was insane.
Different colored lights to be outside. It was a DJ, open floor, everybody's so nice.
We had food, we had clothes, we had different types of jewelry that people were selling as well, and there was music.
It was just such a cool moment because we were all collectively having a blast.
I do feel like us visiting the African American History Museum, as well as the Nashville Black Market, as well as Howard, and you're really experiencing your culture, you're really digging deep down into what your people have done in the past, what they had to do in order for you to be where you are right now. It's kind of wow, I just looked at all of my history and now I'm here looking at all these vendors and entrepreneurs making something for themselves. And it kind of it makes you reflect on who you are as a person, who you need to be as you go through your life journey.